morning. It's Friday the 15th of October 2010 and it's 5 o'clock, 5:30 in the morning. I'm on my way to David and we're gonna have our first workout. David, first training today. Didn't put makeup on, huh?
No makeup.
3, very good. 4, 5. Can we say the weight? 286 today. It's October the 15th, 2010, and our goal weight is 195. You're gonna get very familiar with the camera the next couple. 2, 3, 4.
Oh my god.
2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, David, come on. 6, 4 more. 7. No pain, no gain. Here we go. That's good. All right, David. So that was our first session. How do you feel? It wasn't too bad.
How do I feel? Don't do it. Forgiving her failures forever.